Welcome back, guys. I hope you had an awesome week. If you feel the need to tell me about it down in the comments section, please do. I love talking to you guys. This video is one that I'm really excited about. I just got my box in the mail from Revive and Force. This is something that I bought. It's not something that they sent me on their own, although if they did, that would be amazing. As you saw from the title and the thumbnail, this is going to be an unboxing video. I'm going to try and make it as entertaining as I can. I got a couple of cameras here, so I'm going to try and bring in the artsy style that I do with my vlogs, so you can let me know how I do with that once you watch the video. I'm really excited about this because I haven't got a whole new skateboard setup in years. I've gone through skateboards and whatnot, but I haven't had a complete new everything except for trucks in probably as long as I can remember. I don't think I've had new bearings since maybe my sophomore year of high school, and I mean I've had ones that I've replaced, but they haven't been brand new, and they definitely haven't been good. So I'm really excited to dive into this. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alright, so first things first, we have our box and a knife. This graphic looks even cooler than it does online. This is the Johnny Geiger Pro Model Swiss deck from their comic series. That is awesome. Johnny Geiger, another person I will put a link in the description about if you are at all interested in skateboarding. This guy is, I'm 90% sure he's not human. The amount of tricks he can do and the amount of tricks he can do first try will blow your freaking mind. So we got the Johnny Geiger comic deck. Get the box out of the way. Jessup grip tape. Didn't order that, but they sent free grip tape. Kudos Revive. That is awesome. Where did my knife go? Here is the bag of awesomeness that I am excited for. The new skateboard, I've had plenty of those, but never had Force wheels, which I'm really excited to try. And these are the Jason Park models, who, another great skateboarder. You know what, I'm just gonna link Casey, Jason, all the Revive guys, all the Force dudes that I will talk about. I'm gonna link them down below, so check them out if you wanna watch some skateboarding. Super excited to try these wheels. These are the Revive Life Bolts, little red indicators for the tail. Usually go with gold, but I'm gonna try out a new one today. Let's see. The main reason I am super excited to open this box is these bearings. Like I said, I haven't had new bearings in years, and I cannot wait to try these. Although I'm probably going to fall on my face because I'm not used to how smooth they're going to be. Juju Bearings sticker, a couple of Revive stickers, some Force stickers, and a packing slip that Casey Beckler actually wrote a little note on. Ben, always commit to your kickflips. Those are wise words and words that I don't always live by, but maybe it's time for a change. Alright, so I'm going to actually start setting up my new board. If you haven't already, hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. I do videos every single Monday and Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching so far, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. As you can tell, I don't have a skate tool because I lost mine years ago and I've just been using these. So if you own a skate tool company or you just want to send me one out of the kindness of your heart, I'm not going to turn you down. Let's go ahead and get this skateboard taken apart. big piece of advice that I can give anyone that's either just getting into skateboarding or has been skateboarding their whole life and just doesn't know about this trick is label your trucks. It's not that hard. Just find a Sharpie or a sticker or anything, put one on the front of your truck or label front, back, because when you take your board apart and you put it back together, there's nothing more annoying than having your trucks on backwards. You put different weights on different areas, so when you put them on backwards on accident, your turning's all off, and it's just a pain to either have to readjust it or get it back to the point where you had it before. So, pro tip, always label the bottom of your trucks. It'll save you a lot of time and hassle in the future. My girlfriend's actually expressed some interest in learning how to skateboard, so this might be her deck / the wait around until the other one breaks board. But for right now, we're just gonna toss this aside and break out the new board. Well, that does it for this video, guys. Skateboard's all set up. I can't wait to ride it. You'll probably see that in next week's upload because tomorrow I'm about to go back to Maine actually. It's my really good friend's birthday. We're gonna skateboard all day if he's up to it. Maybe try to go to a lot of skate parks that we used to go to as kids, hit the old nostalgia thing. The last thing to do is maybe put a few stickers on, which I'm not gonna film. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, remember, hit that like button and comment down below. I hope you guys have an awesome week, and as always, I'll see you next Monday. Also, my head has been cut off the entire time, and I'm not gonna refilm this, so